Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Scentsy Whiff Box unboxing for April. Spread a little sunshine. It says the April Whiff Box is inspired by things that make everyone smile. Springtime and sunshine. So let's take a look. This is Scentsy Fresh. Black raspberry vanilla it looks like. And this is an odor eliminating fabric spray. So that's pretty cool. I tend to not use stuff like that, but we'll see. Then I have sampled hand soaps. I haven't seen that before, these little sample size packets. And that is in coconut daiquiri, which is supposed to smell like coconut milk, banana, and vanilla cream. But that's delicious. Here's one of my bars that's already open. This one is called Sparkling Yellow. Let's take a whiff. Ooh, smells like lemons. There's also like a sugary sweetness with it. I like that one. Then we have Sunkissed Citrus. That one's been around forever. It's a goodie. Oh, I don't even know how to describe that. Kind of smells like oranges, but it's real sweet. I like it a lot. Then we have Soak and Raise. I've not heard of that one before. Another yellow bar. Ooh, flowers. It's not bad though. It smells like flowers. Oh my gosh. It's escaping me what kind of flower that is. But it also kind of smells like sunblock, which I know is like a interesting smell. I don't like the smell of sunblock on me, but I like the smell of it. That probably doesn't really make sense, but I don't like fragrances on me, but if I like walk into a room and I smell them or just smell them from the bottle, I like it. Maybe I don't want to be like doused in it, but it smells good. Then we have Aloha Orchid. I love these little sample containers. Kind of smells like strawberries with a little bit of floral. Not bad. And then we have probably a fragrance flower. Yes, ooh, pineapple mango. Bet that smells amazing. I think I'm gonna open this up right now and put it in my house. But that's what I got this month. So we got 3 bars, flower, a sample, 2 samples, and some fragrance fresh. Very cool. So if you guys are interested, I'll link below who I order from. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.